preposition. A preposition shows relationship between words, time, place, or direction. Time at 5 p.m. on Monday in 2026. Place in the room, on the table, at school, under the bed. Direction to London. From Karachi through the door. Common prepositions in, on, at. To, from, with, without. For, of, by, between, among. Example 1. The book is on the table. On shows position. Example 2. We meet at 7 o'clock. At shows time. Example 3. She is from Pakistan. From shows origin. Rule preposition noun equals prepositional phrase. This phrase works like an adjective or adverb. Practice. Look around and make 3 sentences using in, on, at, like, and comment.